spousal maintenance. Even after separation, joint and individual expenses still need to be paid, such as the mortgage and other day-to-day living expenses. This is where spousal maintenance becomes relevant. Spousal maintenance is defined as financial support for a spouse or a partner. Often after separation, there is an income discrepancy between the separating parties. One party usually leaves the relationship with a higher income than the other spouse. For example, in a recent case we had, the husband was the primary carer for the children and he had no income. The wife had a high-powered executive role where she was earning a significant income. It's in these type of cases where spousal maintenance might be appropriate. The test for spousal maintenance is provided for in the Family Law Act, and there are 2 criteria to satisfy. First, one spouse or partner must prove they have a need for financial support. Secondly, they must also prove that the other party has the capacity to provide that financial support. If the party with the lower income is receiving an income-tested pension, they automatically satisfy the assessment of financial need. Detailed financial information would also need to be provided to the court to support an application for spousal maintenance. Spousal maintenance can be paid in several different ways. For example, the person with a higher income may pay a certain amount of money to the spouse on the lower income on a weekly, fortnightly or monthly basis. Secondly, the party with a higher income may agree to take over certain expenses, payment of the mortgage, payment of utilities such as gas, electricity, water, or even school fees. Spousal maintenance can be paid also by way of a lump sum as opposed to periodic amounts. Because the family court likes to finish the financial arrangements between separating parties, spousal maintenance is very rarely continued beyond the interim stages of a family law matter. Spousal maintenance applications are rare before the court. Most of the time it's possible to negotiate a fair and reasonable payment arrangement between separating couples. If you would like any further information regarding spousal maintenance, then please do not hesitate to contact our office.